Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss a beautiful thing. और पता है क्या? This is nothing but healthy lifestyle and healthy eating. Very much important, जो आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी है. With me. So let's see. आपको क्या खाना चाहिए? What exactly you should eat and how you should eat and what thing you should require to concentrate when you're eating. You have never thought before that eating was so much important. No to sugar. Huh? We have to stop sugar. Yeah, sugar is a slow poison. You know that? Do you know that sugar can lead to so many problems in your body? Then, what you should eat? The first question. Okay, first of all, stop your bakery items. Replace your bakery with coconut. Have something which is alive from the plants and the animals, not animals, sorry, plants, and take it directly. That is much more better than having biscuits and junk food. Have Instead of aerated drinks, soft drinks, cold drinks, try to take coconut water. Instead of tea and coffee, choose green tea. Instead of sugar, have dates or jaggery. That's the best thing. Sugar is more refined. It can cause many problems in your body. So why to have all those stuffs when you have the natural solution? Yeah, sugar is only bursting a lot of energy in you and it is addictive. But the jaggery has the complete form. It contains not only sugar or sucrose, but it also has minerals for you. It is easy digestible and very much benefited for your health. How to curb down the sugar is what you say. Get more sleep, get more fruits. When you want to eat something sweet, have sweet fruits. If you are diabetic, avoid them. Have sour fruits like lemon, oranges, and pomegranate. Limit your sugar. Have a more of vegetable and less of carbs. You'll feel more energetic because you'll have more vitamins and minerals. But what we always do, oil-free sabzi, we don't make. What we make is lot of oils. You actually burn out all the vitamins and minerals in your food. And you never thought, no, oil-free sabzi can be so beautiful. Look at it. It's yum. And even it tastes very fresh and healthy. Just what you have to do is take little water in the pan, have all your vegetables inside, close it, and then no need to add anything. Later you can add, so when they all cooked, you can add little salt and little turmeric. If you have raw turmeric, it's better for you, and green chili is best over than red chili powder. So try to use the healthy natural way. If you have red chilies at home, fresh from the trees and plants, then you can use that also. Cut it and put it. And finally add tomato in the gravy. But after that, just close off the gas because tomato and coconut when cooked is not good for your health. So it should be little raw and that raw will taste lovely and fresh. Use sacred food style. Have less of chapati and more of vegetable. Even in chapati, you can add lot of vegetables. It will be easy digestible and take half of the time for digestion. What you use, the best choice in the market, the best thing is your earthen pot. Your body is made of from sand, mitti, and this is the same. Okay, go with the minerals. It will leach out lot of minerals in your food. The next choice, what we can see is ceramic vessels. Ceramic is good until it is coated It is better than the coated ceramic vessels. Okay, there are two types, so don't go for the coating ones, better go for total ceramic. If you have coating ones, then when chipped you should not use it, because inside it is made of a lot of aluminum. This is cast iron. Cast iron is also a good option. It gives you iron in the food, but more acidic foods or lemon foods gives you more iron that is not required for your body. So then it is not a better option. So, and iron can rust also. You have to take care of it if you are having one. Steel utensils we also provided, and if you want you can have it, but you have to check what, that it should not be more than 16% of the chromium, as US FDA suggests that if it is more than 16% of chromium, then it's not suitable for your health, and that should be also used nicely. It should not chip off. The brass. Now what are we talking is, see here. Now the most dangerous categories are the brass vessels, which is brass which reacts with the acidic food. If you are using aluminum vessel, then be careful. It leaches in food, causes Alzheimer, and it's very neurotoxic. It can cause thyroid also. Non-stick pans are mostly coated with Teflon. Teflon is PFOA, that is carcinogenic for the body, and it is not well recommended. If it is chipping, you should generally throw the Teflon material. If it is non-PFO coating materials of Teflon, which are non-stick pans, which is available in the market, then just check for PFOA and in the on the pan. Now, as Teflon, when it is burned, जब उसको गरम करते हैं तो क्या होता है? It releases lot of toxic chemicals into the air, and that causes Teflon flu. But that too with very high temperature. So if you are using a non-stick cookware, I will suggest go with low flame, and also if it is chipping, throw it off. Granite cookware are safe as long as no damage happened to the porcelain coating. If the porcelain coating is well there, then it's okay, because inside it is made up of purely aluminum. So coating once has to be very much taken care of, and you have to also check PFOA and PTFE on the pan mentioned. It should be 100% PTFE avoidable, or it should not be there. And PTFE is nothing but polytetrafluoroethylene. It is again a polymer, a plastic. It should not go in your body as much as you can, because if you have a better option, then you don't use this one. If you have granite coating vessel, I'll say use until the chipping doesn't come out. If it is comes out, better you don't use it. PFOA is perfluorooctanic acid. That's all. And I hope you all would be liking this video and understood what I mean to say from this. Hope you have a great cooking and healthy lifestyle. So until then, subscribe and like and keep commenting for my channel to have more information for you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.